Hey everyone, it's always a good idea to pattern your shotgun before turkey season. That way when you go into the woods, you know your gun's on. Today I have my granddaughter's 20 gauge that I put a saddle mount and a red dot scope on. That way it's easier for them to put the dot on the bird's head and squeeze the trigger. I'm going to sight it in today, so let's take a couple shots. Okay, well, that's pretty good for just putting a scope on. Pattern's just a little bit to the right and high. I'll make an adjustment and shoot again. Hey, that's a lot better pattern. Now that could have been me a little bit to the left, so I'll take another shot just to make sure. But from all of us at Brothers of the Woods Outdoors, we want to wish you a safe and successful turkey season.